Welcome back to another video. So today I'm about to go to the grocery store once again. Gotta do my weekly grocery shopping, and also there's a snowstorm coming tomorrow, so another reason why I want to move to Florida. But anyway, snowstorm coming, we need to go to the grocery store, and I know it's about to be packed, so I guess you guys can ride with me. I don't know if I'm gonna take y'all in the grocery store this time, but y'all can ride with me. So I am so excited for this month because it is March. It's my favorite month because it's my birthday month. And I absolutely do not know what I'm doing for my birthday this year. I mean, I have some ideas, but I really don't know. But yeah, I'm excited about this month. I started a new job this month, and you know, it's my birthday coming up. I got plans for this month, so I'm excited. But yeah, as far as my birthday goes, I really don't have any clue. I mean, I can't say I don't have a clue. I just don't know. Nothing is set in stone yet. So I don't know exactly what I'm going to be doing for my birthday. I kind of want to do something low-key. Like, I don't really care to do nothing too big. I know I want to get myself a camera because I'm tired of using my phone for my videos. I want a better quality. You know, I'm trying to take this YouTube life serious. So I do want to buy me a camera for one of my birthday presents. So I don't know. We will see what goes on. My birthday is at the end of the month on the 28th of March, so I got all month to figure out what I want to do. So yeah, I'm excited. If you want to know how old I'm gonna be on my birthday, leave me a comment and I'll tell you.
The next day.
I guess this is the beginning of the snowstorm. You can kind of see the snow.
Two days later.
So I'm at work right now on my lunch break. Thank God they are giving us an hour for lunch while I'm in training. Anyway, I'm at work on my lunch break, and yeah, that snowstorm that we were supposed to have, no, it wasn't really nothing. But the only thing that it did bring was cold air. Like, it's 25 degrees right now. This morning it was like 14 degrees or something like that. So that's pretty much all it did, was bring some cold air. But anyway, yeah, I'm sitting outside of my office building and just in my car chilling. That's pretty much it. When this training is over, I'm really gonna miss these hour breaks, because then it's only gonna be a half an hour, and I probably won't be able to come to my car and have my peace to myself. So therefore, I'm gonna miss these hour training breaks or whatever for lunch or whatever. But anyway, yeah, came back to let you guys know there was no snowstorm. It just got extra cold. That's another reason why I will be moving to Florida this summer, and I cannot wait. Hopefully, thank God, put it in the atmosphere. I will be moving to Florida this summer. Getting out there in the universe. Put it out there in the universe. We will be moving to Florida this summer, and I cannot wait. But anyway, I have to go back in here. My whole little hour is about to be up. So leave me some comments. Let me know what kind of videos you guys like. Let me know if you guys like my videos. I'm trying to get my subscriber count up. I'm trying to get likes on my videos. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please give me a thumbs up. Please like this video. Leave a comment. Let me know something. Communicate with me, people. Talk to me. But anyway, yeah, I'm about to go back into this office and finish up this work. So I'll see you guys later. Peace out.